Lad, it's Roufas! Lad, oh my god! What is all over your top, lad, look! That is Roufas, son. There's more to come. Don't get it inside your ear. Oh, lad, that is fucking ruthless. It is just non-stop. Get the salt water on it, lad. Oh, lads, it is just ongoing. It's going down, like, it's going right down. Come on. Lad, it's Roufas! Lad, oh my god! What is all over your top, lad, look!
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.